Hey everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Auto Care Secret here, and today we're going to talk about something super important. The symptoms of a bad accelerator pedal position sensor, or APP sensor for short. Now, the accelerator pedal position sensor is what tells your car's computer, the ECM, exactly how far you're pressing the gas pedal. The ECM then uses that info to control the electronic throttle body, which opens up to let air into the engine. This setup is called a drive-by-wire system, and almost all modern vehicles use it. But if you're driving an older car, like this Toyota Camry here, you might still have a drive-by cable system, which works mechanically instead of electronically. Here's what the accelerator pedal position sensor looks like on a Ford Fusion, and here's where you'll find it on a Nissan Sentra. Symptom number 1. Check engine light on. The first and most common sign of a bad APP sensor is a check engine light. You might see codes like P2122, P2127, or P2138 depending on your vehicle. To find out for sure, you can stop by your local auto parts store. Most of them will scan your car for free. Or you can grab your own OBD2 scanner. I've linked the one I use down below. It's super handy and definitely worth having. Symptom number 2. Delayed response or hesitation. If your car hesitates when you press the gas pedal, like there's a delay before the car actually starts moving, that's another clear sign. This happens because the faulty sensor can't accurately detect the pedal's position, so the ECM doesn't know how much throttle to apply. Symptom number 3. Poor acceleration. A failing APP sensor can also cause slow or weak acceleration. Even when you press the pedal down, your car just doesn't respond like it used to. That's because the sensor isn't sending the correct signal to open the throttle plate fully. So your car feels sluggish or unresponsive. Symptom number 4. Limp mode activation. Now, if the problem gets worse, your car might go into limp mode. This is a built-in safety feature that limits your engine's power and speed to protect both you and your car. You'll notice your vehicle suddenly won't accelerate past a certain point, and your RPMs are limited. Why does this happen? Because the APP sensor directly affects throttle control. And if it's sending bad data, the ECM can't safely control the throttle. So, the system limits performance to prevent accidents. Symptom number 5. No response from the pedal. Finally, if your accelerator pedal stops responding completely, your sensor may have failed entirely. In this case, pressing the gas does absolutely nothing. No RPM change, no movement, forcing you to pull over immediately. This can be dangerous, so don't wait until it gets to this point. If you notice early symptoms, get it checked and replaced right away. And there you have it, the top symptoms of a bad accelerator pedal position sensor. If you start noticing any of these signs, don't ignore them. Diagnose and fix the issue before it leads to bigger problems. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my Auto Symptoms playlist for more easy car repair and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.